Right, what I'm going to show you today is a little trick for getting started with many of my blocks. If you've looked at my blocks on my demonstration site at c5magic.co.uk, you'll see that quite a few of them have this little view settings button. This is a way of viewing the settings that I've used on the block. Now it pops up a screen of JSON which isn't designed to be particularly human friendly, but you don't have to worry about that, because what you can do is copy that JSON and import it with the import dialog of that my blocks support to copy exactly those settings into a block on your site. And what I'm going to show you today is a quick demonstration using Concrete 5DK's Community Store demonstration. Now this is a great demonstration of Community Store, so if you're interested in using Community Store for anything, have a look at this and it'll give you some ideas. What I've got here is a page with a man's shirt on it that's set up, and I previously used this to put together a demonstration of Omni Gallery with a slider of shirts. But what I'm going to do is take a chart from my support site and put it in here on the Community Store site. The Community Store site is using a pixel theme from Sharrock, which is quite a nice theme and well worth looking at if you're looking for a site theme. So first thing we have to do is to find the chart that we like the looks of, and if I scroll down here, here's a simple line chart of some airline data that I use for a lot of demonstrations. Don't worry about what the data is. What we're looking at here is, oh, I like the look of that chart, I need a line chart. So first thing to do, view settings, and this pops up the settings in JSON. I'll select those settings and copy them to my clipboard. Now let's go to the Community Store site. I will edit the page and add the Universal Content Puller block. I'm going to put that at the bottom beneath the Omni Gallery that I added earlier. Go straight into the support section, and here we see two buttons, Import Settings and Export. Export Settings is an edit mode version of the View Settings button that I just showed you. Import Settings is the opposite. So we'll click Import Settings and we'll paste the JSON that we just copied and import it to that block. The only other thing I'm going to do before saving is to go to the bottom of the Advanced dialog, and I'm going to switch off the View Settings button. I'm going to add that to the page, and there we have it. Publish the changes, and now as I scroll down the page, there's the chart that I took from the other site. You can use this as a quick start to get any sort of chart, any sort of data presentation with Universal Content Puller, any kind of gallery with Omni Gallery, and many other blocks from my support site onto your own sites using my blocks. Obviously there's things that I'd need to do here. Maybe I want to change this to look at shirt sizes or sales statistics on shirts or something like that. It's a change to the data source, but most of the work on getting this chart into place is already done. Right, thank you, and enjoy my blocks.